while she's doing whatever she's doing, I'm gonna go over here. Jeez. Oh, what are my dogs chewing on now? Oh, Roxy. What is that, Roxy? Okay, well, I'm getting off. Yeah, I told you, we don't have anything. I don't know. So noisy, you can't hear me, I bet. So, got a pool room with a mess of that. It's noisy! This is... Okay. Anyway. So noisy! It slides on, the pool room's all noisy. And Dad's doing yard work, so that's noisy. What? This is what I like to do. Right there. I jumped on it. So. That was actually pretty far, so I didn't know if I was going to make it. Oh, I'm gonna... how far down? Guess how far down this is. It's pretty far down. It's like 8.5 feet, I think. It's 8 or 8.5 feet. So... most pools go down that deep. Some go down to 6 feet though. I don't know, it's just all different sizes. Now I guess just gonna jump off some things and stuff. That float is still on the trampoline. Anyway. Anyway. I don't know what I am doing. I'll just jump off this rock. I mean, the water's right there. Where did it kind of go? Oh, there she is. Anyway. I just realized I haven't jumped off the diving board yet. Let's go do that. Oh wow, I did not see that coming. I don't know what I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna run and jump. So yeah. Hi. Second time saying hi. truck again. Okay, now I'm gonna jump off these. Ready? Go. Saying hi. Look at that swimming. Anyway, I enjoy getting in the pool. How about you guys? Me. You enjoy swimming in pools? I do. Oh no, stop. I have to turn it up. Is it gonna go down the pool? Woo! Watch this. Hey, McKenna! Oh man, underwater, for real. Hey, McKenna! Come here! I'm just gonna leave this floating in the water. While she records whatever she's doing in her life. The water's off. There wasn't any magic water. We called this a fountain, and we called it magic water. So we would say, if you put the magic water, if you dump the magic water on your bird's mind, it's double the magic. If you dump the magic water on the wrong time, you'll get hurt. It was just some nonsense that we were making up. Okay, I'm gonna set y'all right here. Right here is good. It's good. Okay, well, I have to take this off me, and it's probably tight. Sorry, Macy marks around my eyes, but okay. So I'm gonna go put these up, and then I'm gonna go under the water. So I am going to go down this water hill. Okay, let's stop it. Woohoo! A cannonball! A cannonball? That seems fun. Wow. Look at this pretty view. Now I think we should go down this slide. Let's go down this slide. I'm gonna go down the slide. So, okay. There's a slide. now, I just hope. Yeah. I mean, well, let's go down it. Some of these, the other pair. That's kind of dirty. There's another one in the floor. Said I was gonna go to my look. I wonder why is that not turned up. There she is. Going in there. Yeah, this is not even going anymore. It's not going down with water. I don't know if you saw, but I did a cannonball earlier off the diving board. It's kind of hard for me to do it when holding the camera because you need to click. Oh, she's getting the booty bird. The booty bird. We have it. We just use it in our pool because just my booty bird. Because the boards that we had got chewed up by dogs and stuff, so we just have a booty bird. Yeah. Cool. The jacuzzi water is right there. That's the jacuzzi tub. So, she told me to go get the other pair, but the other pairs are turned off on my cookies. So I can move. You can at least share those. Why? Because the other ones are chewed up. So I see that little bits of water. You probably should be able to. There's bits of water. Oh wow, it's really warm. Okay guys, so I am thinking, okay, I'm thinking that it's only March 20 something, that in 2020, so why shouldn't we be in the pool? Okay, I hope you have a good day. What did y'all see? I personally did not know what y'all saw. Okay, so I'm gonna go somewhere in here. She's using mouth because she can't swim good. I'm just joking. Actually joking, but there's so much bugs in here. Is that a bee? What is that? Is that a fly? Is it a fly or a bee or something? I mean, I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna move it around. Move the bee along. Should I go on the trampoline or stay in here or go down the slide or go down the rocks? Or go get my goggles and go down the slide or rocks. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to go get my goggles. No, not yet. I'm gonna do a prank on Macy later. I'm gonna do a prank on Macy later. This is gonna be epic. This prank is gonna be so epic. Don't know she'll see it coming. She's gonna be so. She's gonna be like, what? Boom. Okay, friend. It's gonna be cool. Can I have those? Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Okay, here. Here. Okay. Hey, hi guys again. Wait, she's crazy. Now she's putting things on. The mermaid thing is. Or not, I guess. I don't know what she's doing. Just chilling on this boogie board that she traded with me for those things. On the boogie board, we try to sit on it and stuff, but it doesn't always work. It's just fun to try. Like when our cousin was over, it worked. Sometimes, it almost hit me, but not all the time. And you have to have like 2 or 3 people for it to work. So we might do it.